Good morning. Friday, 28th of March, 7:28. We are on the day candles, and here we can see that we're printing a nice red candle. I say nice because I've kind of like been looking for this move anyway. So we have a red candle. Now if we zoom in, this is BTCUSDT, and we have been looking at this rising wedge pattern. Where are we with the RSI? So RSI is around midway, 50. MACD here at the bottom looks like it's kind of curling over. Like I said, this is the 1 day. So let's flip over to some more details. Okay, so we hit the 4 hour next. 4 hour next. Now, if you remember, I was saying if it breaks down, this rising wedge has a higher percent chance of breaking down. Now look at this. That's a nice red candle for you. Okay. Still playing within this falling descending channel, which on a smaller time frame, I drew these yellow lines on the descending channel on the 15-minute with an idea of it, playing within this. But on the bigger picture, zooming back out, let me just open it. Let me just open it. Yeah, let me get this better. So zooming back out, we have a breakout of this rising wedge. So let's go further into the 15, or let's go to the 1 hour. Let's have a look. Now, here on the 1 hour, you can see we have several candles that have closed outside of this pattern. So we had 1, 2, 3. We're way out of it, to be honest. Like I was saying, with this, it has rising wedges have more of a chance of breaking to the downside, especially if it's been playing within this since March the 11th, 10th of March, March 11th, around that time. So that's quite a strong move out. We do have this trend line that we've previously drawn, because this was support here. Which is hit. We also have that lower descending channel. Now, if I go back now and I look at what we're doing here, we are waiting for confirmation that this is out of this rising wedge. And I did say that 70% into the move, we're likely to have a breakdown. We're not going to do anything yet, because this is what a lot of people, when I say a lot of bots, trading bots have been waiting for. Everyone sees this pattern. We all see it. It's not like I'm the only person that sees it. But we need something strong on at least the 4 hour, because this is a big move. This is like something that's been playing for a long time. So we need confirmation. We need confirmation of a strong closing candle outside of this. Now, if you look closely, this candle has not closed. We need another candle printing outside of the pattern. Then we're kind of like, okay. And we're still not getting into anything. It could come falling all the way down here. I'm not rushing to catch anything. I'm waiting for a retest of some sort before we get in. Excuse me. So that's where we are with it. Just happens to, I've been sleeping, I've just woken up, but just happens to be playing within these falling descending channel that I've drawn. So what's this purple line? The purple line is our measured move of where we will be looking for the price to kind of like get to before maybe turning around possibly. This is the measure move. So we measure the opening of the wedge. We take that measurement and we place it where the breakout's happening, and we want to be basically taking our profits, doing a short trade. This will be a short trade. This will be short in the market, which means making money as you're going down. For those that don't know, we'll be doing a short trade and we'll be taking profits by here, by 82 300. We'll be taking all profits. Maybe even be taking profits before that, because everyone's looking at this move. Lots of people are not going to wait till here. They're going to start taking their money early because they know what's going to happen, likely. So also, I want to show you something on the RSI. On the RSI, we're now kind of like heading towards, this is the 4-hour, excuse me. So this is the 4-hour. So we're heading south on the RSI. We're still midway, but there also seems to be a pattern forming on the RSI. And, you know, I'm going to just draw this out. There's a shape and pattern that I see on the RSI, which looks again like a falling wedge. So, you know, something to look at. Let's wait and see what happens. We're not going to do any moves, like I said. We're going to wait for confirmation. If I go now, we can zoom in closer to the 15-minute. We've done the 1 hour to show you what's happened. Well, let's go to the 15-minute. Okay, so this is the 15-minute channel candle. So let me just open this up a bit. So on the 15-minute, we're still in this descending channel. Okay, let me extend this out now because I think it's time to extend it out. We're way out realistically. So we was here at 86.90. We're now at 85.40. So we see some kind of retest. I would say we're buying in here. Around about here, people are going to probably front run, and bots are probably going to front run the idea, which means not wait for a complete pullback to this line before buying in and, you know, maybe pushing the price further down. We could look at some areas of support resistance that it might help us. So if I just look at this area here, we have resistance here, we had support here, resistance, then we had the area of difficulty here, we're struggling to make any move, then we have support here. Let's put in a line here, and I'm going to color this line pink. Okay, so this is my pink line, and this could be a line where price action kind of gets to around before heading out. So we're waiting for it to kind of come back here around this area before we get into any trades. Okay, and as you can see, as we're talking, strong move down. But you know, even this descending this descending channel, if we can't see it come out and retest, could retest here, but then hasn't been much cool off period, as you can see on the RSI on the 15 minutes already on the floor. So if we was doing a short time trade to pull back, I mean, some people, you know, on the day trade thing will get into something here because the RSI is way below. So it's at 17. Yeah, it's got a flat bottom on the RSI, flat level, but the price is sloping down. This is another idea of some kind of pullback reversal. So, you know, we could, some people do a short trade, a long trade within this price here and get into something, but I'm not really going to do that. Okay, so let's see. That's my analysis for the morning. I'm James, family name Mensah, hence why the channel is Trading with Mensah, and I'm looking forward to seeing you back on our next video. Probably I'm going to likely be doing one later today because I believe things are going to be moving fast now. See you later.